Hello guys,
Wow.
ito yung ulam namin guys. Oh, galungging guys, galungging. Guys, oh, see? See? Very crispy guys, very crispy. Mamaya guys, ito naman kainin namin guys. Ito, prito naman kami ng turon guys. Ay ito guys, natapos na. Parang, para tong ano guys, oh, parang chinilas guys, oh. Kain nga guys. Baguhan kasi yung chip cook namin guys, hindi marunong magluto guys. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Ito. Ito yung part niyan guys. Ito yung honey.
Wow.
Yung mga walang honey, may honey ako. Bibigay ko sa iyo. Ito guys, yung ulam namin ngayon, dinner guys. Sarap guys. Ito yung midnight snack. Ito yung before dinner guys. Before dinner. Oh, see? Chinilas. Really guys. Okay guys, goodbye. Good evening.